Hi, I'm Heather, and welcome to the High Desert Yogi channel. Today we are doing a full body yoga flow. We're going to stretch and strengthen the entire body together. If you're ready to get started, give this video a like, and I'll meet you in a tabletop position. So let's start in our tabletop position. Bring your shoulders over wrists, hips over knees, and we are just going to jump right into some cat-cows today. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, draw the chin in, back of the neck long. Inhale, drops the belly. Exhale, chin in, abs up toward the ceiling. Inhale one more time, open the heart. Exhale, chin in, Halloween cat. Great. Come to a neutral tabletop. From here, we're going to bring both legs together. Take your right foot and step it right in between both of your hands. Sweep the left ankle back and windmill up into a low warrior two. That is what we are calling it. So palms face down, parallel to the shoulders. Try to keep your front knee over your ankle here. Gaze past your fingertips. Jumping in and breathing deeply. From here, turn the right foot in, drop fingertips to the ground on your left side, and on your right side, take those fingertips up and over. Side body stretch. Use both hands to slowly walk yourself back up to the front of the mat. Lift up the back knee for a runner's lunge. Plant the palms. Step your right foot back for a plank. Plank position. Starting to engage that core and warm it up. Drop both knees, but keep the toes curled under here, because from here, we're going to inhale and exhale to lift the knees up. We're going to stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2. Drop the knees, uncurl the toes, bring both legs back together. Step it to the other side. Left foot comes forward in between the hands. Sweep the right foot the other way, back behind you, windmill up, low warrior in the other side. Keeping front knee over the ankle, gazing past the front fingertips. Turn the left foot in, drop right fingertips to the ground, and inhale to bring the left fingertips up and overhead. Great line of energy here. Walk both hands up to the top of the mat. Lift the right knee and come into your runner's lunge. Give it a little sway for a bit and then step it up to the top of your mat. So now you should be in a forward fold here. Stay here for a little bit, just settling into the space. You can definitely put a nice generous bend in the knees if you need to here. Inhale, come to a flat back, spine parallel to the ceiling. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come all the way up to standing, fingertips down, around and up. Exhale, fold it all the way back down through our vinyasa. So plant the palms, step both feet back to plank. Take the knees down, uncurl the toes, shift forward, vinyasa your version. Come to the floor, engage the thighs, lift the chest open. Exhale down. Bring hips to knees first. Curl those toes under and send the hips up for downward facing dog. We're all meeting in a downward facing dog. Make sure the fingertips are spread wide here. And settle into this space as it's our first downward dog of the practice. Pedal it out if you need to. Bring both feet together. Inhale, lift the right foot up high to the sky. Bend the knee, take the knee into the chest and step it right in the middle of both palms. Pivot on the back foot, making sure that you're keeping a front heel to back arch alignment here. Bending through the front knee, windmill up into a warrior two. So front knees at a 90-degree angle. We're keeping palms in line with the shoulders. Relax the shoulders. Inhale, really big, nice and deep. Exhale, smile and gaze past your fingertips. From here, flip the front palm, take back hand to the back thigh, and the front fingertips up and overhead. Gazing at the ceiling in front of you. Inhale, exhale, soften through the front elbow onto the front thigh. Take the left fingertips up and overhead, creating a nice long line of energy from the crown of your head all the way down to your left toes. On an inhale, send it up to your warrior two. Coming back, straighten through the front leg, shift the front hip back, lean the torso forward. You're going to stack shoulders on top of one another, and you can bring fingertips to the floor, or if you would like to bring a block here, that would definitely be a great spot for that as well. You can gaze up towards the ceiling or in front of you here. Inhale to come back up to standing. And from here, we're going to just shift and turn our front toes in. So now both of our feet are parallel to the side of the mat. Inhale, send both hands up. Exhale, fold it forward all the way down. You can take fingertips to the floor here if you would like. They definitely don't need to come all the way down to the floor, wherever you're at. This is another great place for blocks. Slowly walk your hands to your right foot or right leg for a side stretch. And slowly walk your hands to your left side. Take them back to center. Hands to hips. Slowly inhale to come back to standing. Heels in, toes out, squat the hips down. All the way down. Hands are going to come to knees here. And inhale. Exhale, take the right shoulder forward. Little deep twist here. One of my favorite twists. Take it back to center. Lean the left shoulder forward. And back to center. Straighten, use your strength to straighten through those legs again. And we're just going to adjust and take warrior two on the other side. So turn the left toes towards the back of the mat. Bend through that knee. If you need to adjust and scoot the back leg back a little bit, you can. Palms in line with shoulders. Warrior two on the other side. Flip the front palm. Take back hand to back thigh. Extend the front arm up and overhead. Exhale, front arm to front thigh. Extend the right hand up and overhead. Side angle pose. Take it back on an inhale to a warrior two. Straighten through the front leg. Shift the front hip back. Lean the torso down. Fingertips to floor or on a block, stacking shoulders on top of one another. So we want to make sure in these triangle poses that we're not kind of swaying our arm all the way back. You want to keep it straight up towards the ceiling. Inhale, slowly rise up to standing. Turn those left toes in, and we're just going to step right up to the top of our mat. Inhale, fingertips down, around, and up. Exhale, fold it down. Plant the palms. Step one foot back, and then the other for plank. Use all the strength inside of you to try to lean in a straight line your entire body to the floor. Uncurl the toes. Take fingertips on either side of your mat here, kind of like spidey fingers. Forehead on the mat. On an inhale, sends the chest forward and up. Exhale, folds it down. Keep your thighs engaged here. Inhale, open heart, send it up. Exhale, fold it down. One more time. Inhale, chest forward and up. Exhale, all the way to the mat. Awesome. Take your hands underneath your shoulders. Press yourself back up to seated. Swing the legs around, bringing soles of the feet onto the mat. We're just gonna come to lay down on the mat from here. So lay it all the way down, one vertebrae at a time. No rush today. Take your right foot, flex through that foot, and cross it over your left knee. You're definitely welcome to stay here if this is enough for you today. If you would like to take it a little bit further, though, you could lift through that left foot, thread your hands through, and hold on to the back of that left thigh. You might be feeling a nice hamstring stretch in this right side here. Breathing deeply. Bring left foot to the floor. Uncross the legs. Take it directly to the other side. So flex through this left foot. Cross it over the right ankle. Welcome to stay here. If you'd like to take it further, lift up the right leg. Thread the hands through and hold onto the back of the right thigh. If you find your shoulders and your neck maybe lifting or hunching here, that's a great spot for you to maybe place a foam block underneath. It would probably make it a lot more comfortable. You can just lay your head on the block. Place right foot down to the ground, uncross, and leave the soles of the feet on the floor. Take hands to the floor, lift up the hips, shift them a few inches to the right. Bring knees to chest first, and then use your left hand to guide both knees to the left side. Right palm can come palm face up, laying out next to you. Little reclined twist. Release any conscious breathing that you might have been doing or practicing, and just fully relax into this position. Come back to bring soles of the feet on the mat. Lift the hips up to shift to center first. Then take it a few inches to the left. Bring knees into chest first, then use right hand to guide the knees over to the right side. Left hand comes palm face up, facing towards the ceiling, and relax here. Meeting yourself wherever you're at today. Bring both knees into the chest, soles of the feet to the floor. Lift the hips up, put them down, and slowly lower one foot down, then the other. Then lower one palm face up, hand to the floor, and then the other. Shifting your shoulders or your hips if you need to get a little bit more comfortable. And fully let your body melt into the floor. Deepening your breath. Maybe closing the eyes here. Congratulating yourself for making it to the mat today. You did a great job. Maybe you give yourself a little smile today. And feeling yourself supported from the ground up. You are welcome to stay here for as long as you need to today. If you would like to join me back in seated, slowly bring one knee into the chest and then the other. Give your legs a little hug and lean to one side. Slowly use your other hand to press you up to seated and let the eyelids open. Thank you so much for joining me for this full body flow today. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and let me know how everything went for you in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and namaste.